students. This is our fourth lecture, and we are moving towards median this time. In the previous four lectures, we have already done how to make tables using cell referencing, then how to make again tables with the help of cell freezing, then we perform average, and today with the same data of the average, we are going to find out median. How median is helpful, what actual median is. Median talks about the nature of the 50% of data. 50% of data means, suppose that there are 20 students and the median, let's suppose that the median marks comes out to be 18. So what this means? It means that if there are 20 students and if the median comes out to be 18, it means out of 20 there are 10 students, almost 10 students who have got marks more than 18, and the remaining 10 have got marks less than 18. Okay, and we will also verify the same thing here. Let's find out what is the median first. The median is an inbuilt function in Excel, so equals median, 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 and open brackets, and then select from 12 to 30 and close it down, and wow, the median is 17.5, close to 18. Okay, now how will we verify that the median is correct? What we were talking that out of 20 students, median means mid means 20 is mid is 10, so there can be 10 students whose marks are above 17.5, or you can say 18, and the remaining 10 students have got marks less than 18. So let's find out, is it true or not. Since the data is small, so there can be chances that one or two students may be more or less than the required, what I said, 10. So we are copying this marks again to some other cell, and in cell I3 we have pasted it. Okay, now what we are doing, we are going to data set and there sort, and then filter sort, and you will be finding that sort by marks, values smallest to largest, and we are 100% okay with it. So okay, so what we are getting, see the numbers 1 2 3 4 12 14 14 15 15 17 18 and something like this. Okay, let's do one thing. How many students we have got? Again this much, control V. So see 17.5, see this point, let me make it a little bit red, a little bit of more size so that you can observe it. Yes, what we are getting, that these are the roll numbers 10, 1 2 3 4. This means that there are 10 students who have got marks less than 17, and the remaining students from 11 to 20 have got marks more than 17. So that's verified that yes, this median is correct. This median is 100% correct. So this is what the power of median. Median will tell you about the data. That's what is called partition value. That 50% of the data will lie above the median value and the other 50% below the median value. So this concept needs to be understood very cautiously. And there are other concepts beyond this. That is, first one the median, then there are first quartile, then there's third quartile. So first quartile tells 25% of data, and third quartile tells you about 75% data. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.